Hello guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Shrija over here, and in today's video we're gonna see how to add WhatsApp chat to WordPress website. So this is my WordPress dashboard. So in this video I will show you how to add WhatsApp chats to your website. So for this, firstly we need to install WordPress. So for installing WordPress and for the domain registration and web hosting, I prefer Hostinger for this. And in few minutes I will show you what is Hostinger is too. So firstly let's get into the video. So firstly I installed WordPress, and then we will be going to plugins. So this is your WordPress dashboard. So now go to plugins and click on add new plugin. So after this, we will be searching for WhatsApp. So then we got many plugins over here, and you can choose this join.chat plugin, install it. And then it is done with the installation process, and you can click activate button. And now you can see that plugin is activated. So now go to this join.chat and click on the settings. So here you need to give your contact number. So your contact number is your business number or anything which your clients can approach you or contact you through. So I'll give some random number, or so yes. So I have given some number, and then we can show this notification balloon. You just check this box, and then you can show chat delay when the chat window should display automatically. So I will set it to 2 seconds after opening my website. So click on save changes. So your settings are saved. So let's go to our website and check uh, what is happening actually. So customize your site, click on it, and here you are with your website. So I have created some random website. So in the 2 seconds you got this. See, you can see this. So this is the WhatsApp contacting option. So when I click it over, if you do it with your mobile phone, you will be directly redirected to the WhatsApp app. And here we can go with the WhatsApp web, but I'll show you how to even do that. So this is the first thing. And before going to the second thing, I want to show you about this hostinger.in. Have to know how to register your domain and web hosting services with Hostinger. So Hostinger is a best and affordable web hosting service provided, and it is currently under this ultimate sale of 70% off. You must hurry up and grab this opportunity. And it has the best services for web hosting, and I recommend you to go for this Hostinger. For domain, you get the free domain, and you get the best ever web hosting services for much affordable prices. So here you can see your first package is of a single web hosting. It is for ideally beginners. So here you get one website, 10 GB SSD storage, and here you don't get free domain. But when you go with this very popular package is premium web hosting. So it is a perfect package for your personal websites. It is only 119 per month, so that's pretty affordable price and pretty reasonable price. So, and you get 100 websites here and 25,000 visits monthly. You get free SSL certificate worth 855 rupees and free domain and unlimited bandwidth, managed WordPress and 30-day money back guarantee, the best part of hostinger.in. So after using this, after registering with your hostinger, and if you don't, you will mostly like this because it is such a affordable thing and it gives you amazing benefits. But if you want to withdraw all the things, withdraw your you can withdraw your money in 30 days if you are not satisfied with this, and you get unlimited databases, git access, ssh access, and many more features on it. So you can see over here you get all the things. And this is the third one is web business web hosting. So it is for one, if you are a web developer, or if you are getting if you are using this for some business, some kind of business, you can go for this business web hosting. And for now I think that this premium web hosting is much relevant to this, to many people's comfort. So we'll go to it, we'll add it to cart. So after adding it to cart, you can see your total all sum, your bill here. And you can, the thing is, you are eligible for SSL certificate and your free domain. So go to this, you can search for some domain and you can avail it for free because it is providing you it is providing you the free domain with your web hosting. So that's the very good thing. You can check it out and check out and pay the amount, and then you can log in to the hostinger.in. So I will just log in and show you. So this is after logging in, the dashboard you'll get. So yes, here you go. So go to this hosting, click on manage, and so there you can go to auto installer and you can install WordPress. So here you can select it and install WordPress over here. So this is what about the hosting, and it is a must. You need to must try this. So it is a best thing for web hosting services. So getting back to our topic, it is about yes. So we have seen how to add a WhatsApp chat to your website. So now we will add some text to make it more attractive or to make it more uh, interactable. Okay, so let's go to plugins again and let's see our install plugins. So go to join.chat and settings of that. So here go for call to action. So you can give what text to be displayed to your clients or to your visitors. So you can say hello, how can we help you? So let's do this. How can I help you? So this is the text that I want to make it appear on my website. So I just do this and click on save changes. So your settings are saved now. Let's go to our dashboard and let's check our website how it looks after this. So I have given this time to be 2 seconds, right? Okay, so I got it over here, and now you can see it is hello, how can I help you? So this is what which we have given to it, and You can change this to this join.chat. You can change it. Let's go back and let's go into the plugins. So here you can add WhatsApp web too. Okay, and so you can use it on laptop or your PC too. It will redirect the viewers to the WhatsApp web so that they can scan it with their phones, and they can use it in the PC too. And you can change the theme color. We can use any color, so let's try one color. Yeah, let's go with blue. Just you can change it, no worries. And so you can use this WhatsApp logo, or its header is about, it's up to you. So I want to use WhatsApp logo only, rather than using powered by join chat. And yes, I'm done. So let's save changes, and settings are saved, so we are all done. Let's go to dashboard and again check our website. How does it look now? So you got it, and you get this notification option too, and that makes it more attractive. So that makes the viewers or the visitors to click on it, to approach you guys, to contact you. So I have changed my color to a blue color, and I have changed my logo, my header to WhatsApp. You can even change it to another. You can customize this too, and this makes your website more, more attractive and more interactable with your viewers, your clients, and it attracts them. So this is all about how to add a WhatsApp chat to your website. And again, I would like to show you about this hostinger.in. So it is a best place for you to buy, to get these web hosting services, and to get the domain for free. So this ultimate sale is going on. You guys can go get this. So for this WordPress hosting, I am giving a link in the description. You can click on the link and you can get the best service provider for your web hosting, WordPress hosting, and domain registration. So I hope you all guys like this video and found this helpful for you. Thank you for watching, guys.